everyone, today we're gonna make some fajitas, and these are the ingredients for a bomb fajita seasoning. Starting with a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon and a half of butter, we're gonna add as much garlic as you like. This is gonna be our starter for our chicken fajitas. Here I'm using a chicken breast that I cut up into slices. I did make sure to cut them in uniform slices to cook evenly. And we're only going to do half of it because I don't want to overcrowd the pan, causing the chicken to just sit there and boil. We want a nice color on the chicken, a nice sear. Let's go ahead and add some seasoning. The seasoning I showed you in the beginning, which is a little mixture of a fajita seasoning that I made. We're gonna go ahead and add a generous amount on here, and we're just gonna turn it. And I do want to mention that I have it on high, so this is gonna be like a don't walk away from it, stand right next to it and just kind of flip it because it will burn. Hola mis amigos y bienvenidos otra vez más. En esta receta vamos a hacer fajitas de pollo, y en el principio del video tenía yo los ingredientes para hacer nuestro sazón. Usé una pechuga entera cortada en partiditas así de grandes, y le puse al principio aceite con ajo y mantequilla. Lo dejé que la mantequilla se hiciera como burbujitas. Le puse más ajito para poner nuestro pollo y le va a dar un sabor bien rico. Tengo la cacerola a fuego alto para que el pollo se dore y no se haga como, no se cueza, porque queremos un color lindo en el pollo. Alrighty, so we're finished with all our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and stir fry our vegetables, and you can add whatever you want at this point. I went a more traditional way, just adding onions and peppers. I do also add sometimes jalapeno slices and tomato slices, but I was out. So after you add your vegetables, go ahead and add the rest of the seasoning as well as some chicken bouillon. Después que una vez hemos acabado nuestro pollito, vamos a guisar nuestra cebolla y nuestros chiles morrón. Se me hace que así se dice. Pongan ustedes jitomate, chile, lo que ustedes gusten a guisar. Ustedes saben que sale bien rico también. Pero solamente hoy tenía chile de bell pepper y cebolla conmigo. Le vamos a poner el resto de nuestro sazón que hicimos para las fajitas y un poco de consomé para darle un toquecito más rico de pollo. So at this point, I think my peppers are perfectly done how I like them. One thing I do want to stress out is we are working with chicken breast. So the longer you cook it, the more drier it's going to be. Make sure it's nice and plump and juicy, because remember I talked about boiling the chicken. We just want a nice sear on the outside and let it be cooked, but not like really overdone and it's super dry. Ok amigos, hablamos del pollo, que queríamos guisar el pollo. Recuerden que estamos usando pechuga de pollo, y rápidamente al cocimiento del pollo se hace seco. So queremos un pollo que tenga bonito color afuera, pero que esté todavía jugoso por dentro. Después todo lo revolvemos junto y ya a preparar nuestro platillo. Now, to accompany our chicken fajitas, I made some butter rice. And this recipe here for the butter rice, I will leave it down in the description, linked below. I have a video of it that I have made previously on my channel. So now, let's just start plating. Amigos, hice un arroz de mantequilla con verduras. Abajo les voy a poner en la descripción un link en mi canal de este video.